I'm Stephanie, certified licensed speech-language pathologist, and I am here to help you feel confident in supporting your littles in their speech and language journey. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and go comment some of your thoughts on this video. Let's talk about teaching our littles the word ball. Now this, in my household, is a very functional word. It is my little's favorite thing, and we're able to solve a lot of problems with him being able to communicate the word ball. What does he want? What disappeared under the couch? What did the dog take? Ball. We are able to communicate that, and that when we're working on those first few words, we want to think functional, what it's going to help communicate his needs. Ball. It's a great start. We want to keep in mind a few key concepts when working on new words. We are talking about repetition, clarity of models, and consistency. We want to get as many repetitions in there. We also want to repeat it every time the opportunity arises, and every time the opportunity arises, we are saying ball, 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 okay? We are creating that model ourselves. That means getting on their level so that they can see our model, so that we are a good communication partner, and sharing this very important word with them, ball. Okay, another big important thing is that fun is where learning happens. So we want to bring attention to our model. Our model is right here. So we have the ball. See where I'm holding it? Right here. So they see the model, they see the ball. Then at this point, I'm sure you have said the word ball a million times. You can be silent. You can pause and give them a non-verbal cue. That means you are saying nothing and showing them what you want them to do. So I'm going to close my lips and make that B sound with my lips, keeping them nice and tight, showing them that plosive, that explosive sound, and I'm holding it in so that they can explode the sound out, okay? Our little will fill that space. Ball, but have fun with it. Every time you have the ball, ball, and then throw it, roll it, and then when they have it, tell them, ball, ball, and have them send it back. Be silent, wait till they throw it, and then they throw it. Ball! Yes! Ball! Ball every time you catch it, okay? Have fun! Toss them up in the air, but remember, it's that repetition, the consistency of your model. Every time, every single time that ball gets thrown or caught or rolled. Ball, 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 ball. Get those examples out. Bring it to your face. Bring it to your model. Then you can also put it near their face, put it on their lips. Ball! Because like I said, that's a plosive sound. It's an explosive burst of air. So you can even put it on your lips. Bah! Have fun with it. That's even more fun when you do that. So go have fun. Fun is where learning happens. Let me know how it goes. I'll talk to you later.